Are you facing difficulty in pumping water? Then the dredging pumps will be an ideal option. Designed as portable heavy-duty units, they're used to pump salt water and fresh water mixed with sand, debris, and other abrasive particles. The dredging pumps offer sustainable pumping solutions to a multitude of industries. AMT is one of the most popular brands providing dredging pumps. These engine-driven pumps have a heavy-duty iron casing. They have an adapter that ensures durability for severe service conditions. Engineered to last for long hours, they promise simple maintenance and fast clean-out of the pump. These portable pumps come equipped with a protective frame that enhances their mobility and reinforces them for rugged applications such as dredging, pile driving, pier maintenance, emergency bilging, and washdown. Pump Products is a leading dredging pumps online pump dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy dredging pumps direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to dredging pumps and parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.